Recording starting in Arkansaw.
It's so pretty, and it's Father's Day 2026. And
Yeah,
we
baby.
are going to go eat some pizza.
Pizza at the Pizza Den in Mountainburg, Arkansas. And I'm just enjoying hanging out with my honey, listening to this Evo doing its thing.
Yeah. Woo!
Yeah, baby, that's where that can feels good. 540. It's a big
Yeah.
This is one of our favorite places to stop when we're over towards the Mountainburg area, which today we're gonna go and eat at the Pizza Den in Mountainburg, which is just right down literally on the other side of the road. It used to be an old dance hall. They've kind of turned into half their house, half flea market kind of thing. And we're struggling with our light, but that's just choppers. Choppers.
Oh, the button bin.
Circuit super plastic straws.
These places are getting harder and harder to find. But if you're down here in Arkansas, in our neck of the woods, you got to come by and check this out. All kinds of just cool shit.
Yeah, we were talking about Facebook and all that.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm just
It's
not
a
one of
headache.
those types of people.
Yeah. Well,
You can have my business card here.
Yeah, I
Where's
use
it like?
Yeah,
That's
but
good.
the lady copied these, and I just
I've been looking to get new ones.
I do this. 3 snuff jars in our saddlebag. We got a cool box with brass trim, and our, of course, buffalo tip merch to pass out. All right, baby. Garlic bread, pasta, chicken bacon ranch. This is the Pizza Den in Mountainburg, Arkansas. All right.
Oh, yeah, baby. I love this. Cool.
First time?
Yep.
Yeah, from Harrison to Midland. Kind of drove by a few times, stuff like that, but never been making stops.
So we have, this over here is the prices and sizes.
Perfect.
Got premium, specialty, then you gotta come over here, premium is listed,
Okay.
specialty's listed,
Awesome.
large and small.
Okay, perfect.
Okay,
Sounds-
perfect.
Yeah.
Get these checks finished.
What's that, baby?
Hard ice cream,
Hard ice cream?
hand dipped.
Hand dipped?
I know someone that likes ice cream, and I know someone that likes pizza.
This looks good.
It's so good. It's also fresh and clean in here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can't miss the place. It's right on the Y kind of triangle cutout property here as you are heading north out of Mountainburg.
Oh, yeah, baby. Steph and I sat here eating and talking about how we love small towns. We are a small town. And this is why we love it so much.
Thank you for supporting my goat project, Lila.
thank you for supporting my goat project. So here at the Dragon Pizza Den, I guess he does
They
a lot.
support the Mountainburg
Yeah,
Dragons.
yeah. So they're doing a lot in the community.
Yeah, I was
which
just thinking how cool that is. That's a cool mascot, drag.
I know the dragons.
We came from Harrison, so we're the goblins, but we moved over here to Winslow. We're the squirrels. Yes.
It's good.
The crust reminds me of the pan dish that Pizza Hut has
Yep.
because it's really crunchy, fried yeah, so good.
Good.
This is the Pizza Den here in Mountainburg.